So here we have from AMC the black phone, which is for the second movie, and it's a black rotary phone, but you can actually even hear the sound. And it also has audio, as you can hear. Well done, AMC, this is a winner. I remember these phones when I was a kid. They were hard work, especially when you got a busy signal and you had to dial the numbers again and again. This is a popcorn bucket like nothing else. It'll hang on the wall and it'll fill with popcorn. Enjoy the video.